are gonna go to Fisher Mall. We're gonna go to Samgyupking. We're gonna vlog about it. So, naka-try na ako ng Samgyup whatever, yung mga ganon, yung mga unli eating churvanes. But the thing is, at the time, ewan ko, bigla ako nagkasakit sa, inasma ako sa bonggang usok, alam niyo yun, kasi may asthma, okay. So, but still, I like to try their food. Ako'y mahilig kumain. As you can see, I'm a chubbilita. So, ayun. So, pupunta sa Fisher Mall with other vloggers. We're gonna check what Samgyupking will be offering. So, ilalagay po namin yun sa vlog. At the same time, yeah, so this is my outfit for today with my rubber shoes and everything. So, para makita nyo, it's gonna be like this one. Yeah. So, that's my outfit. So, where did I get this? Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. And, nakuha ko lang siya sa ukay-ukay. And this, I think this is only 50 pesos. Yeah, you know, 50 pesos look for today with like 100 pesos bracelet. So, ayun. So, we're gonna go there. It's around 2 o'clock and the event is 3 p.m. So, see you there. Hello po. Pasabi yung page nyo. Ano kay Facebook? Batang? Helmet. Facebook page po? Sa YouTube. Ayan po. So, kayo madam.
Hi.
Ano pong, niyo, Facebook?
The Travel Mama.
Travel Mama on our Facebook page.
Yes.
Ayan. So, lagyan natin. Ma'am, anong page nyo?
Batang Helmet.
Ah, pareho din po kayo pala. Okay. Kayo po, sir?
Travel Japan.
Travel Japan?
Facebook, Japan.
Japar. Sige po. Thank you so much. Hi, madam. Ano pong name ng YouTube nyo?
Hi, The Gomez Divas.
The Gomez
IG,
Divas.
But my YouTube is Home is Cool.
Wow! Hi guys! We are here in Samgyupking and we are now going to try some of their food, and it's this is their first branch. So yung first branch nila is here in Fisher Mall. They have others in Cubao, and it's only $499 to get everything and one free milk tea. So it's the second time I'm gonna try this kind of dining experience, but hopefully it will go up to my expectations. But you know naman, kain lang ng kain, pero I'm sure masarap siya. Dahil nakita ko yung mga food and everything, sobrang enticing na hindi pa ako makain. So tara na tayo, let's eat!